Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My drone is finally here, but guess what we are going to do? We are going to fly the DJI MAVIC Pro at night. Unfortunately, I have not done with the unboxing yet, so unboxing is going to be later on. But guess who is going to do it today? It's going to be Anton from Tech 5, who is going to fly his drone at night today. So let's check what Anton's going to say. Anton, first flight of MAVIC 2 Zoom, and at night, how do you feel about it?
I feel great. Fear is what keeps us from accomplishing our goals.
Okay,
And there's no fear of flying at night, right?
there you go. Do have FA some FA rules out there, but I don't think we are crossing any because we are going to be staying at a minimum altitude of like 50 meters.
It's not even that dark here.
And it's not even that dark out here, so there's the
okay.
MAVIC 2 Zoom.
Call it the beauty. Don't even call it by the zoom.
It's the beauty. Ooh, look at those props. Look at the light on the top. Dang, and look at these lights glowing on the side. Really good. So MAVIC 2 Zoom is going to fly at night and it's taking off. Ooh, look at the light. It's like a halo on top. Whoa! See the light as if it's a glowing light. Look how beautiful this light looks. Let me show you the effect of it. So Anton, just stand out here. That light is enough to glow up, Anton.
Show people right here.
Okay, Anton, so what do you think about flying at night? What is your experience?
Really smooth, easy. Can't be more happier.
And how does the footage looks? So currently it's doing asteroid, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think the footage is amazing though. All the time. I'm like, MAVIC 2 Zoom itself is amazing, but there's the drone out there. Right there, let me try to zoom in. So as you can see, it's climbing up. I'm shooting with my iPhone, so you guys do not expect like a Sony A7 kind of a quality. So okay guys, there you go. That's how the MAVIC 2 Zoom actually looks at night, and that light is crazy, and you can use that light for so many creative purposes. You can take shots, you can glow up your subject, you can take selfies, you can do wonders with that. So there will be more videos coming up. My next video is going to be the unboxing of the MAVIC 2 Zoom, so stay tuned for more updates and more crazy videos about the MAVIC 2 Zoom.